Hi guys, my name is Mayank and I'm the founder and CTO of Tech Matters Inc. Today I'm going to talk about solving a real world problem using TensorFlow probability. The real world problem that I'm going to talk about is fault detection in the elderly and the infirm. So for this problem, we collected accelerometer samples from a wearable device and we managed to get a few sample streams of data. But the main challenge remained the lack of training data. So, as you might expect, collecting training data for this example, for this scenario, is quite expensive and is difficult to come by. So, similar challenges also exist in other domains such as space exploration. So how can we predict falls or no falls with such limited amount of data? Obviously, approaches like deep nets don't work. We are not working in the domain of big data. In fact, quite the contrary. This is all about small data, so or less data. So in this talk, I'm going to walk the audience through a step-by-step approach of modeling the problem in a Bayesian setting. Um, in other words, I'll talk them through how to set up a probabilistic graphical model, choosing the appropriate priors and appropriate settings for the problem, and then finally talk about how to run inference on this model using the TensorFlow probability MCMC samplers. We'll also look at how to validate the results and how to cross-check whether your posteriors are are what you expect them to be. So I'm going to have a code walkthrough. The code is going to be shared on GitHub, and we're going to run through a live example on how to do that. And finally, I'm going to end with how to make predictions using this model and show the audience that how using these Bayesian techniques you can not just get a point estimate but also a range or a confidence interval for your estimates, and how a system engineer can then further use those uh, confidence intervals uh, to set up appropriate settings in the device, in the wearable device. All right, thank you very much. Talk to you soon.